Hello new parents, you may be wondering who am I and why am I teaching this course? My name is Missy Yondo. I'm the owner of Slumber and Bloom. I have years and years and years of early childhood experience. I have my degree in early childhood education as well as child life psychology and child development. Before I became a sleep consultant, I was a preschool teacher and I now have 3 of my own children who all sleep like babies. The main reason why I wanted to teach this course is because I want to help you get more sleep and lay the foundation for healthy sleep so that down the road you are not dealing with so many sleep struggles. You can start laying the foundation from day 1, and that is exactly what I am here to teach you. And as a matter of fact, by the time I got to my 3rd kid, I never even had to formally sleep train him because I had the skills and the knowledge with my sleep consultant certification of how to lay the foundation for healthy sleep for him, and he just got it. When you have all the pieces to the sleep puzzle put together correctly, sleep can be easy, and let's face it, we all love sleep. I can't wait to teach you everything I know about newborns and sleep.